We'll guide you through how to fix WhatsApp notifications not working. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this problem can be super annoying because it means you can end up missing messages. And you should be able to follow this guide on both an iPhone or an Android as well, as I'm keeping the guide pretty broad. So first of all, what you want to do is head to your WhatsApp settings. On an Android, go to the top right of the chats page and click on settings. On an iPhone, go to the bottom right and click on settings. Go and find notifications and make sure these are enabled. That's super important. Show notifications. There's a few different ones you can switch on there. Now, what's super important as well is that you also go and enable them on your phone itself. So come and open up your settings on your phone and you need to go and find WhatsApp. I found it here and I'll click on it. And then what you want to do is click on notifications and make sure these are switched on as well. And you can go and customize them as well here. So now go and see if that's now solved your problem. Often it will do. If it still isn't, then what I recommend you do is make sure you don't have a do not disturb mode turned on or a focus mode. To check that on an iPhone, you can drag down from the top right on your battery and you have this thing called focus. Click there and these different modes. For example, if do not disturb is turned on, that is going to go and silence notifications. So you'll easily go and miss them and think WhatsApp is not working, but in fact, it's just this mode. So make sure it's turned off. There's a very similar one on Android as well. And what I recommend you do in case it's some type of glitch is you go and restart your device. Of course, this will vary depending upon what device you have, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. To do this on an iPhone, you press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then you hold down the power button. Your screen will go black shortly, and then you release it when you see the Apple logo. I'm pretty sure on an Android, you can just hold down the power button and click on restart. And after it's restarted, go and see if notifications are now working. If they still aren't, then it's worth reinstalling WhatsApp. So you can go and do a backup in WhatsApp, delete WhatsApp, and then download it again. Restore the backup, and hopefully then notifications will be working and you won't have lost your chats.